Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. Well, in the following 2 episodes, we are going to show you how to make this Rhythmic promo video shown in the demo. If you're interested in this one, keep watching. Open VideoProc Vlogger. And before making this clip, first, we need to create some text screenshots like this. To create this image with white text on a black background, we can directly click on the text here and create a text layer. And then type in your desired text content. Choose the right font based on your own liking. And here, I'm gonna go with the Tahoma bold. Find text shadow. Adjust the offset value to the minimum. Click on the screenshot button here to take a screenshot of the screen. Next, we find this box in the inspector area. Change the font color to gray. And re-enter the text content. And take a screenshot again. It will then create some gray font image. Now we click on the bottom here. Find the background. Change the background color to gray. And follow the same method to create an image with white letters on a gray background. And last but not least, we need hello text, which can be created using Title 6 preset in the title library. Change the background color of the image to black. Change the font color to white. Then, we can create this font. Next, let's import the background music and put it into the audio track. We go to the audio editor, click on Analyzer, and check audio onset and audio beat to analyze the audio. And based on the beats given by the analyzer, we use add mark to mark some of the beat points. In this way, in a subsequent production, it will be much easier for us to add it to the beat. Next, we will need to use motion to make the text move to the beat of the music. First, we put a text image with black text on gray background into the overlay track, and then resize it. Click on this button. Change the background color to gray. Then, click on Motion to enter the motion editor. Add a keyframe to the far left of the timeline. Then, zoom in on the box to give the screen a zoomed-out effect. Add a second keyframe in the middle of the timeline. Adjust the box like this in the video. Then, we need to adjust the speed to smooth beat up too. Finally, add a third keyframe at the end of the timeline. Again, enlarge your box. Here, we need to adjust the speed to smooth beat down 1. Now, we have an impact shot. The next image is the text expanding gradually following the beat of the music. We first import a picture with gray text on a black background. Then, we enter the motion editor. Here I use the Cinematic Open preset. And then, adjust the position of them based on the beat of the music. Like this. Then we add some keyframes, and let the text approach gradually following the beat like this. Next, we will create a moving image mask layer. First, we import an image with black text on a gray background into the overlay track. and put a video clip on the overlay track above it. Then we use the ripple edit to crop the two clips to the beat of the music. Select the text image and enter the motion editor. Make a left to right sliding and zooming effect for it. Now we go back to the main interface and adjust the blend mode to lighten. Select the video clip. Go to the color and select the B&W filter to turn the video to black and white. The effect of a text moving mask is now complete. Well, this is all for today's video, and we will continue with the Rhythmic promo effect in the next video. Stay tuned for that. And if you want to know more about other and tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!